Hey guys, we're back again with another short video tutorial, and in this video we will be learning on how we can do the two ways to reset the Windows 11 or Windows 10 PC or laptop. And so for that we will be going first to the settings. So you can do also, or to go to the settings, you can do make a right click here in the Windows icon and then go click on the settings button here, or you can just make a search here in the Windows search tab. If you type settings, you will get under the best match settings option. So once you're in here, all you need to do is just to go to the, so let me just go directly to settings. So once you're in the settings window, all you need to do is just to go to the left pane. You will find there the system option. So please click on system. And then if you scroll down, you will find the recovery option. So reset, advanced, startup, and go back. So please click on the recovery button there. And then you will get under recovery options the reset this PC option. So choose to keep or remove your personal files, then reinstall the Windows. So just click on this reset PC. And then you will get this blue window here. You need to choose an option whether you can keep your files or you will remove everything. So for the option, keep my files, you can remove, or it will remove apps and settings but keeps your personal files. Whereas for the remove everything, it will remove all of your personal files or apps and settings. So once you can now choose from these two, then all you need to do is just to click on that. And another way to do this one is to shut down or sign out. So please shut down or sign out your device or your laptop, PC. So after doing the shutdown, then don't restart directly. Keep pressing the shift key and then you'll get a blue window. So I won't be able to show it to you. I'll just say it or reiterate on how you will do it. So after doing the restart or after doing the shutdown, please don't restart directly. Just keep pressing the shift key and then you'll get a blue window there. So proceed with the troubleshoot option. You will get their troubleshoot option, a lot of options, but please proceed with the troubleshoot option and then click on the reset this PC option. Once you click on that, you will get the same blue window that we have earlier where you will be asked on whether you will keep your file or you will remove everything. Okay, so once you have chosen already, just proceed on clicking what option you want. Either you will keep your file or remove everything, and then just follow the process that it will give you there. So it will give you the options or the directions on the next thing that you will do. So just click on the next button there and then it will be resetted. Your device will now be resetted accordingly or based on the preferences or the settings that you have selected there. Okay, so that's it. I hope you learned something from this video, and if you did, please don't forget to give this a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel. Thank you so much for watching this video, and I hope I'll be seeing you again on the next one. Bye bye.